And I want to turn it over to Rachel Ward, our assistant producer. Rachel, I understand we have a question from one of our viewers.
Yes, Gary, John from Duluth sent us a question about his father's ongoing injuries after an accident. John says, Gary, my dad was in a horrific car accident a few months ago and sustained a life-altering injury in which he was paralyzed. We are trying so hard to help support him in this transition from being an active person to being unable to do much of anything without assistance. We have been looking into a life care plan and encouraging him to start the process of making sure that his plan is in place, as no one knows what the future will hold. We also would like to get compensation our father deserves from this accident. I'd love to better understand what this plan can offer my father and if your firm could help us with this potential claim. And Gary, again, that's John from Duluth.
Yeah, Rachel, thank you for reading that. And wow, when someone is involved in a wreck like that, you know they're going to have extraordinary expenses over his life expectancy.
Yes, I mean, not only will he have medical expenses, I mean, he's going to need things just as simple as getting a wheelchair replaced over time. So, you know, he definitely needs to look into this, and, you know, he definitely needs to give us a call and let us handle that.
All right, well, Rachel, thank you for the question. And John, first off, I'm very sorry to hear about your father's accident. I'd like to know a little bit more about what exactly happened, and I'd be more than happy to discuss your father's potential claim with you and with him, and also discuss what a life care plan can entail for him. And let me share with our viewers what is involved with a life care plan. Now, this is a comprehensive assessment in an organized, concise plan of the current and the future needs for individuals who have experienced catastrophic injuries or have chronic health care needs. It really helps us as attorneys put pen to paper to get an understanding of the cost someone may expect over their life expectancy for their medical, psychological, and rehabilitation needs. And each plan is different and it's customized for the individual, and depending on the specific needs of the patient can include the following. One, projected medical evaluation and cost, projected therapeutic modalities, medication, diagnostic testing and educational assessments, supply needs such as wheelchair needs or wheelchair accessories and maintenance, home care or facility-based care needs, and projected routine future medical care, orthopedic equipment needs, projected surgical treatment or other aggressive medical care, orthotic or prosthetic requirements, and transportation needs, home furnishing and accessories. They may need architectural renovations around the home, aids for independent functioning, for leisure or recreational activities, and equipment for that. Now, as attorneys, we will hire a licensed rehabilitation supplier who has extensive experience in preparing these life care plans to meet with our client, to also meet with the medical doctors and any other providers to help assess what their needs are currently, as well as what the needs may be in the future. And the expert will look at the following when they develop the life care plan. Comprehensive review of the patient's medical records as well as any supportive documentation. They will also interview the patient and find out their history. And whenever possible, they will also interview family members or significant other people that interact with the patient to determine their needs. Now, interaction with medical and health-related treatment team is also important for them to get answers to questions that are not necessarily established in the doctor's medical record review. They will also research the relevant clinical practice guidelines to further establish needs and recommendations, as well as support medical and case management foundations. They'll conduct research on in the literature to establish needs and recommendations, as well as support medical and case management foundations. Now, once the life care plan is complete, we take this material to help assess the value of our client's claim. One important element of a case, especially one involving catastrophic injuries, is how much it will cost to provide medical treatment and any other medical supplies our client may need over their lifetime. And John, as you might imagine, someone such as your dad who is wheelchair bound will have a lot of medical needs over the upcoming years. And no attorney should approach the settlement of a claim without a full and complete understanding of the client's medical needs. We'd be more than happy, as I said, to meet with you, to meet with your dad, to explore all available options to him. But please do not delay in giving us a call. You only have a limited period of time in which to act, and the failure to act within that time period could potentially bar your dad's right to recover, so don't delay. And folks, if you or a loved one has sustained injuries that are catastrophic and you feel a life care plan is needed, don't delay in seeking expert legal help. Someone that can help you get a vocational rehabilitation supplier to come in and develop that life care plan that is specifically tailored to your needs. Look, you owe it to yourself, to your loved one, to your family to call a lawyer to discuss the facts of your specific claim. Coping with an accident, that's emotionally and physically exhausting and draining. You need someone to help you in your time of need. We take the hassle out of these cases for our clients. We focus on the legal issues so you can concentrate on going to the doctor and getting better. Again, our phone number is 770-934-8000 or 1-800-WIN-WIN-WIN. Just pick up the phone, give us a call right now. Again, 1-800-WIN-WIN-1, and we will be back.